Gig workers are also humans. Then why must we not treat them like humans? This comes at the backdrop when gig workers who are working extremely hard at this time, especially in the festive season, have called out for a nationwide strike. Remember, gig workers had gone on a strike on December 25th as well, and this is with respect to their rights not being recognized under the central labor laws. And now the gig workers unions across the country, various different unions and platforms, have written out a letter to the Labour Minister Mansukh Mandavia stating their demands and requests as well. It is also to be noted that these workers are going to be extending their strike today as well. That is the 31st of December. Remember, today is the New Year's Eve, and of course, gig workers are highly overworked and pressurized on very heavy and top traffic days like today. So, of course, the gig workers are at this point seeking intervention into how they've been excluded for this long from the labor laws of our country. They're asking for an inclusion into the labor laws for social security and at large safety and health benefits as well. A few of the top demarcated demands that the gig workers have are that to be paid per kilometer. So every kilometer covered, they're requesting for rupees 20 to be paid to them. And up until now, there has not been any minimum ceiling on their monthly salary. That means whatever a gig worker gets on a monthly basis is not defined yet. And this is something that the gig workers are now demanding for, that they should at least get 24,000 rupees a month as a fixed amount of salary. The gig workers in their letter to Mansukh Mandavia have also stated that they do not have any other benefits and have very strict adherence to time. Remember, these fast e-commerce delivery apps that you and I, all of us order from, be it Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, Instamart, all of these apps come under the framework which use delivery partners as gig workers. And these delivery partners put a lot of time constraint, as in that 10 to 20 minute window of delivery. This is something that the gig workers or the delivery partners have to adhere by on a very strict basis. And if it goes even a little above this, then it is not the restaurant or the grocery store from where you're ordering your stuff that is who are penalized, but the gig workers who are delivering your stuff are penalized. So, there are a lot of other conditions also that comes into play. There's so much traffic on the roads that comes into play. A lot of times, meeting these time limits are not exactly in the hands of the gig workers. And this is something that the gig workers are asking consideration and relaxation for. Women gig workers especially, remember not to, completely scull out women from the workforce, are also asking for maternity leaves, emergency leaves as well. As women, of course, not just in this case are running their households and families, but also are the breadwinners of the families in many of these cases. So they're demanding for these little requests to the Labour Minister Mansukh Mandavia and requesting for them also to be recognized as formal employment rather than just gig workers who are on a contractual basis. With camera person Sachin Gupta, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.